Yeah, hi, Tariq. It's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know, I've done your laser mech for you, and it's fully working, and had plenty of hours of tests because I've been sitting here listening to it the last couple of days while I've been working, just to make sure. Yeah, basically, it was the laser. The laser was DOA 100%, and also what I did find is this little spindle top. It had been knocked in. Now I'm guessing you done it when you took it apart. It's easy to do. I've done it, so it's not a problem. But I've pulled it up about a mil, half a mil, and I've put a double super glue in the top of there, so next time you go, it won't be as easy to push down. I mean, it won't stick it forever, but it'll be okay. Once you fit it, type of thing, if you get what I mean. So that's that. I'll just show you there. I did check all your cogs and everything as well. I'll give them a good clean up, micro switch. The usual sort of cleaning up and everything. And yeah, I mean, it's a good bit of kit. Where they are anyway. They're bloody expensive, these things. But yeah, it hasn't had mega use. It's just a common fault with them lasers. Just they go. There's not a lot you can do about that. But yeah, you got a 6-month warranty on that anyway. You got a 6-month warranty on that laser itself. That's obviously all I can warrant because I can't guarantee any other bits because they're your parts. But anything I do, I can guarantee. All we ever ask for is you send us the postage money, and we're more than grateful for that. So yeah, Tariq, well, there you go. Hopefully you can get one of your units working so you can get some money back. So thank you very much. We really appreciate your business. Anything else you ever need, just give us a shout and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way I can. So yeah, stay safe and all the best to the family and everything. Thank you very much. Have a great day.